everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going fishing by a brand new pole, which is right over here. And I have my tackle box, the blue one right there. I'll start recording like the big part when I get on the boat. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, meet you on the boat. Okay, so I caught a bass and Ethan just caught...
I was brought to this creek when I was 2 weeks old.
He caught a bass.
And
yes.
I've been using the
Good
same
sign.
bait.
Is this the world's biggest perch?
Could be.
Oh my goodness. Dude, this thing is...
Get that one off, 'cause here, look right here.
That thing's massive. Wait, show it to the camera, Ethan.
What up, then?
Oh my goodness. Man, fishing trip going good already.
That is the world's biggest perch.
That thing is massive. Oh. Never mind. It's a crappie, but it's massive.
That's a crappie.
Dang.
That's huge, though.
This fishing trip is going great. We're gonna head down here and I'll tell you the next thing we catch. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a ton of these little perch in the water I'm just messing with. Look, that's a decent sized guy. He could probably take it. Okay. Keep on fishing. Okay, so we're at a new spot. We're gonna put the canoe in the water. They are fishing over there. I was going to do a video. I'm gonna go over there in a second. Yeah, I'll tell you guys when we catch a fish in here. Bye. Just cast it in there. Caught a nice sized bass. First try too. And they were just fishing it for a while. So we're gonna let this guy go, and I'll see you guys in a second. I got another one. About 10 minutes later. He's nice sized. Obviously a boy because he's not very big, but yeah, I'm gonna get him off the hook, throw him back in. Bye, little buddy. He's not dead. Let's go. Oh my goodness. What a voice crack, but dang.
Got in my mouth.
I was trying to set up the camera, but he caught a fish, so I guess I don't need to.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I caught another one. How you guys feeling? Ow. Okay, I'll let him back in the water. Here's another fish. Ethan has caught a few. I don't know how much his dad's caught. He's nice sized.
No, it's not.
Pretty fish.
It's a little baby.
Let's put him back in the water. Bye, little guy. Wop. Bye. Another very nice sized bass. I'm gonna let him back in, see if Ethan can catch. It's
a boy.
Female. Yep. Obviously. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Wop. Bye. So now we have a little baby fish, a woman.
How do you know? Let me see.
Because you can see the private. Yeah. Caught it in this little area. We're gonna head back. I don't think. Are we done? We better not.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put her back in.
Ready?
Bye.
I'm gonna cast right there.
Ethan got one during the end of that time lapse. Ethan got one.
Here, I'll hold that.
Give it a kiss.
Got it?
No. Yeah.
Got it.
No.
There. Gotta be a man. There you go.
Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
Stupid. I'm giving this piece of poop a
Just put your
kiss.
face near it so it looks like you're giving him a kiss.
I can see it. Look, a lure. Dad, there's a lure down there.
Oh, that's cool.
Ow.
Try to get it.
Okay, well, yeah.
I'll try to get it.
Back to whatever I was doing. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna fish this little thing up here. I have my pole, obviously. I'm gonna fish this little thing up here. I'll tell you guys if I catch anything. Because obviously this... well, I might actually fish a little longer here. But I hope you guys enjoy. It's pretty much the first video on this channel. Yeah. It's not the first short, but it's the first actual video. I'm just gonna be me fishing here, and that'll be the end. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, thank you. A little longer ago in the water with the canoe, and if I walked back up, could I? I can. I just have to drag it. No. Maybe. Oh, I have a fish. Oh, I have a fish. Funny. I didn't know that. Nice. Nice. Okay. Well, that was kind of random. It's like the first cast out to the opposite direction. And I got a guy. Is it a guy? Nah, it's a girl. Does he even have it in his mouth? That's my question. Just like push it out. That's weird. This is weird. Okay, nice. Hopefully that got on camera. Is it recording? Oh, let's go. It is. Okay. Nice little fish. Bro. Okay, bye. Don't do that. Don't do that again, please. I'm gonna keep fishing. Hey, maybe I can catch another, but who knows? If I don't, I'll just edit it down to that one fish. Oh, that was almost in a tree.